Gen Z people will literally quit their job over anything because when I was working at a fast food restaurant, we had this new guy one day and he was telling me about how he really needed some money because he was in a lot of debt. So he wanted to work a lot of hours. But he also said this was his first job in the food industry. So one of my coworkers had to teach him how to make fries in the fryer. And then after about 20 minutes of learning, he had it down. So my coworker let him do it on his own. But after about 10 minutes of him doing it on his own, he walks up to the cash register, puts his name tag on the counter and he says, "Guys, I quit." So we were like, "Why?" And he said, "My face is all greasy for making the fries. I don't want to do this for 8 hours, and I already smell." And then he just walked out the door, and I have never seen him since. When he walked out, me and all my coworkers just looked at each other, and I could tell we were all thinking the exact same thing, which was, damn, he's kind of got a point. He had us thinking about if we should leave too. Sadly, none of us did, but I still think about where that guy's at today. Probably a CEO if I had to guess.